Welcome class. Today we will learn calculation in tables. For calculation in a table, we are going to use first any Word document. Suppose I have made one of the table and in that I have entered mango, banana, papaya and apple customers on daily basis, like Monday this much customers have come for this particular fruit, and this on Tuesday, then this on Wednesday. Now I wanted to make total number of customers. So what will I do? I just put over here my cursor because I wanted to show the total number of customers over here in this block of mangoes, then in this one of bananas, this one papaya and this one apple. So what I'm going to do? Well, I'm going to go click on layout tab. Under layout tab there is a group data, this one, and in this I will select formula. Well, as the sum already shown, sum above means the above number needs to be added. So I am going to click over on the OK. And 10 plus 7 is 17 and 17 plus 5 is 22. I hope all of you got my point. Similarly, I will go for this banana point. Formula, yes, above 23. 8 and 9, 17. 17 and 6, 23. Let's come on the next. fx above, okay, that is 14. And next for apple, again it's 14. Now class, we have got the total number of customers. Now updating calculation. Suppose students that I have made a mistake in certain column. So how would I correct it and update? So just take an example. In the given table, I am going to represent certain student with marks and then I am going to update the calculation. Just have a look. First I am going to press Ctrl plus F9 and after that I am going to enter in this particular bracket is equals to sum and the bracket, then the left side which I wanted to add, and then after this F9. After pressing F9 the total will come. Now you need to copy and paste this particular addition like this. Pasting, again pasting, again pasting. Now these all columns, when you are going to right click, there is an option update field, and when you click on update field, your calculation of that particular column will be come. That copy and pasting you have did it to just copy the formula of that box, first one, into the others. Thank you class. This is it for the day.